Did you know that Apple released a secret diagnostic tool where you can evaluate your iPhone if you're running into issues with your iPhone? Or this is a great option if you're just getting ready to buy a new iPhone, you can run some diagnostics on it. I'll show you how it works, how to get it set up, and the various options. Now you can see here's my iPhone. The first thing you need to do on that phone is turn it off completely. So I'm going to press and hold the volume up and side button. And then when I see slide to power off, I'm just going to slide it and turn that phone off completely. After that phone is off completely, you need to do two things. One is you need to press and hold the volume up and volume down button at the same time. So press and hold both of those at the same time. And right after you've done that, you need to plug your iPhone in to a charger. So again, press and hold volume up and volume down, and then plug in your iPhone. So I'm going to do that real quick without trying to cover this up. So volume up and volume down, I'm going to press and hold both of those. And now that I have pressed and hold both of those, I'm going to plug the phone in to a charger. Now, after it's plugged in, you can see the little plug at the very bottom here. We're going to wait till we see that Apple logo. So I just saw the Apple logo. I'm going to release my fingers and it will boot up in diagnostics mode. And I'll show you exactly how it works. So we need to wait until it starts. Let me just center this iPhone again so that you can see it clearly. And once it does start, it'll give you a number of options to run those diagnostics. But the first thing it will ask for is to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So you need a local Wi-Fi network that you know the password of to be able to connect your iPhone when you're running those diagnostics. Keep in mind, this is helpful if you're at an Apple store or anywhere else. Basically, it allows you to run those diagnostics. So it takes a few seconds to basically load up and to run that diagnostics for whatever reason. There we go. Finally, it says Diagnostics and Repair. Diagnostics allows Apple to identify potential hardware and software issues, but you can use this yourself. So tap the Continue button in blue, and then choose a Wi-Fi network. So we need to scroll down, and let's just choose this one, and enter in the password. And then tap Join. So after you've joined a local network, you can see it says connecting to Apple support, and it will pop up with some options for diagnostics. Let's tap on Agree at the bottom. And then you can see it says Run Diagnostics. Tap to identify potential issues. Just tap on that. And again, it says connecting to Apple support. And it will give you a number of different options to be able to test various things on here. I'll show you what to start with and what the options are. So you can see it says choose a diagnostics to help identify potential hardware or software issues. The first thing, Mobile Resource Inspector. Let's tap Learn More. It says initial triage tool that checks the device's software version and validates the presence of parts, physical hardware parts, like the camera and the processor, all of those things. All you need to do is tap Start Diagnostics. Keep in mind, it does take 1 to 2 minutes for each one of these to go through. However, if you don't want to do that, you can also test the audio, essentially the speakers and the microphone on your iPhone. You can test for display pixel anomalies like dead pixels on your iPhone. You can also do the multi-touch assessment, check if the Face ID is working on the iPhone, and then check to make sure the camera is also working on that iPhone. So this is helpful if you're running into issues with your camera or the Face ID or anything else. You'll be able to fix it by going into the diagnostic tool, running all of these. And again, this is super helpful if you just bought a new iPhone and want to make sure it's valid, it's real, and everything is working. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.